In the last video I explained about the global variable. Now I am going to explain something about the local variable. So observe here, I am having a one thing called as I am having a I am going to create one more program. So I am going to click on this one, and here I can able to, for example, .html I am giving. So I am giving the control B, then you will get the full screen. So inside I am taking the one script tag, and inside a script tag what I am doing is I am going to write the something here. For example, observe here where id is equal to 20 I have written. This is a global variable. Just now in the previous video I have explained global variable. Global variable means you can able to access the global variable anywhere in the program. But now what I am doing is, for example, I am having a one function. I am having a one function, and function name is I am having a something called as scopes, and here observe here. This is a one of the function document dot write ln. Inside this one what I am writing is inside a function, and after inside a double quotations I am giving the br means break the line. I am going to, after printing inside a function, I am going to give the one break line break. So that's why I am giving a br here. Okay. So here the function name is scopes. So I am taking this scopes here. Okay. Observe here what I am getting. So I am going to click here. I am going to give the right click. Then I will get the copy path. And inside a browser, I am giving the control V. Then observe here. What is this? Inside a function. Means I am creating a one variable here. For example, where for example, where salary is equal to 30,000 I have created. So here it is a salary is a local variable. Local variable means the scope of this local variable is within the function. The scope of the local variable is within the function. Within the function. We are having the local variable, but that local variable you can able to access inside this function only. Wherever you are going to write the function, wherever you are going to write the local variable, and inside that particular function only you can able to access a local variable. But outside of a function you can't able to access the local variable. You cannot access local variable outside of a function. Means you can able to access the local variable inside a function, but if you are trying to call or if you are trying to access local variable outside of a function, then definitely you will get a reference error. You can't able to get it. For example, here I am trying to do document dot write ln of, I am trying to print this salary. Okay, after printing this salary, I am going to give the one break. So after the plus, inside the double quotations I am giving the br means break the line. So I need to print first inside a function, then after printing the inside like function, then I'm giving a one br, means it will break the line. In the next line you can able to see the like salary. After the like salary, again you are breaking a like one more line. Then you can check here, means you are accessing the local variable inside a function only. Here what I am doing is, I am trying to access local variable inside a function only. If you try to call any local variable inside a function, then you can able to see the output. For example, here observe, I document dot write ln of salary I have written, and I am trying to print this one, then you can able to get it. Now observe, this is a inside a function. Inside this function you are trying to access local variable, that's why you are getting a value. Observe here, same thing I am trying to call. I am, for example, here I am having a document dot write ln, and this is outside of a function, outside of a function. So then I am giving a br means break the line. Observe here, and I want to make the like function is separate and like outside scope is separate. So that's why what I am doing is document dot write ln of document dot write ln of, and inside a double quotations I am giving the like hr means break the line, sorry, hr means draw a horizontal line, So first I am printing the like inside a function, then after that I am printing the like salary, then after that I am trying to give the like one horizontal line. After giving the horizontal line, again I am trying to print the something over the screen is outside a function. Just observe here, means this is a inside a function, and inside a function you are trying to access local variable, so that's why you are going to get this value. How I have written here, in the same way I am trying to access this local variable outside of a function, but you will get the reference error, means local variable you can't able to access outside of this function. Just observe here, for example, I am trying to access local variable outside a function, then you will get a like reference error, you can't able to get the output. Just observe, are you getting any value here? Are you getting any value? No. But if you observe here, inside a like function only, inside a function you are going to get the local variable value, but outside of the function you can't able to access that local variable, because the scope of the local variable is within a function only. You can right click here, if you are giving the right click, then you will get the inspect element, and inside the inspect element you can able to click here, and you will get the salary is not defined. Why you are getting the salary is not defined means, because it is a local variable, it is not a global variable. Observe here, so you are going to get the reference error. Why you are getting the reference error means, for example, here whatever you have written here like salary means it is one of the local variable, but that local variable you are trying to access outside of your function. If you are trying to access local variable outside of a function, then you will get variable is not defined. In interview they will ask, what is the meaning of the like variable is not defined? Variable is not defined means you declared a variable inside a function, but if you are trying to access that local variable outside of a function, then you will get the variable is not defined. So Means we are having the three types of the scopes. One is the global scope, one is the function scope, and if you have written or declared any variable outside of a function means, then you can able to access that local variable. If you are declared or define any variable outside of a function, that is called as global variable. Then global variable is can accessible anywhere in the program. For example, current balance is the like one of the variable you have declared outside of this function, so you can able to access that current balance inside this function as well as outside of a function as well as inside this block also. And coming to the like here where account is equal to, I'm having a like 51 like here I'm having a one variable. This variable is defined inside this function only, so you can able to access this local variable inside a particular function, but you can't able to access the outside of a function because we are having the three types of the scopes. One is the global scope, and one is the function scope, and one is the block scope. So far I explained about the like global scope, and one is the local scope I explained. In the next video I am trying to explain about the global scope, block scope.